Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve a problem if alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial f of x is equals to x square minus px plus q. Prove that alpha square plus beta square by alpha square is equals to p power 4 by q square minus 4p square by q plus 2. So if anyone, before I start this problem, I would like to request you to please share my channel, subscribe and like my channel, and those who are interested for online tuition, please mail to this ID madanbelluri@gmail.com, and those who have any doubts you can please post it in the comments box. So so let us start the solution now. First, what is the polynomial given? Solution given f of x is equals to x square minus px plus q, and here given zeros is equals to alpha comma beta. Already we discussed that whenever the zeros are written, the next step itself we have to write sum of zeros and product of zeros. So sum of zeros is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. So compare this one, x square minus px plus q is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus p, c is equals to q. So minus b by a minus of b is minus p by a is 1. So minus into minus plus p. Now product of zeros is equals to alpha beta is equals to c by a, that is equals to q by 1, that is q. Okay, so now take the LHS part. LHS is what here? Alpha square by beta square plus beta square by alpha square. So take LCM. So what do we get here? Alpha square beta square, and here it is alpha square into alpha square plus beta square into beta square. So alpha square into alpha square will be alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 by alpha beta whole square. Now we need to find what is the value of alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. So here alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 is equals to alpha square whole square plus beta square whole square. Now if alpha square is equals to a and beta square is equals to b, so here what do we get? If you just take this one, it is a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay, so here a is what again? Alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 into alpha square into beta square. Again alpha square plus beta square. So again alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole square. Here this one again same formula we are applying here. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab again applied here. If we consider alpha as a and beta as b. So here alpha plus beta is what here? Alpha plus beta is p square minus 2q whole square minus alpha beta, it is q square. Okay, so this is your alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. This is your numerator. So we got the value of numerator. So let us find the total value, that is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Its value is, now just expand this one, a minus b whole square p square whole square minus 2 into p square into 2q plus 2q whole square minus 2q square. Okay, so that is equals to p power 4 minus 2 2s are 4 p square q plus 4q square minus 2q square. Still we are finding only the numerator. Remember, we are not solving the entire problem. So that is equals to p power 4 minus 4b square q plus 2q square. This is our numerator, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Now substitute this value in this and alpha beta as q in the denominator. So what do we get? So alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 LHS is equals to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 by alpha beta whole square is equals to p power 4 minus 4p square q plus 2q square by alpha beta. Alpha beta is what here? Q square. Okay. Now separate the LCM to each and every term. So what do we get here? First term is what? P power 4 by q square. So we got the first term minus 4p square q by q square. Here it is, the denominator is q and here it is q square plus 2q square by q square. Q square and q square will get cancelled. So here p power 4 by q square minus 4p square q. Q square I am writing it as q into q plus 2. Q and q will get cancelled. So that is equals to p power 4 by q square minus 4p square by q plus 2. So this is your RHS. So hence proved. Okay. Thank you everybody.